Hello, my name is Pavel. Recently I made a few streams and I get a little feedback and few more subscribers and likes. Thanks for that. And it seems that time to put things in order has come. So I decided to rearrange a little bit videos on my channel to organize playlists and make this introduction video as well. So my main points of my interest in area of art and technology. So I gonna put some tutorial videos, explanation videos as well. I already have some time-lapse live streams, just saved videos. I gonna develop my channel next. I need some feedback from users, so it would be very helpful if you write in comments what actually you expect to see on my channel. Little details. By technology I means all the IT area stuff, programming, system administration, DevOps, network administration, all the related things to technologies. And in art area, I'm gonna add some tutorials, explanation videos, and some lessons about painting, about do-it-yourself project, handcraft, and all the things related to art. So welcome to my channel and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, likes and share. See you.